If you want to disable TalkBack on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you have two ways to do so. You can of course manually go to the TalkBack settings, or you can use the volume buttons shortcut, which might be described over here on this screen, depending if the watermark prompt is enabled or not. So what you can do is you can use these two volume buttons that we have on the right side. You want to press and hold both of them for 3 seconds. And just keep holding, and there we go. Then we should be able to turn off TalkBack quite easily with this shortcut. Now let's say that for some reason you cannot use volume buttons, or if it doesn't work for you. So in this case we have to manually go to these settings and we will have to turn off TalkBack. But in order to go into these settings we have to figure out how to navigate on our phone, because the navigation is slightly changed when the TalkBack is on. To keep it short, any option that you have, like any button, any selection, anything where you have to select something or confirm something, in order to do so, first you have to tap on that option once to highlight it, and then you can double tap in order to confirm your choice. And this also includes buttons that you have at the bottom of the screen when you are using 3 buttons for navigation. So first we're gonna go to the home screen. Oh, and also I'm gonna mention gestures because I forgot about them. So in the case of like any gestures, like swiping through pages, scrolling up and down, or using gestures when you have gestures navigation, you have to do these gestures with 2 fingers instead of just 1. So let's go to the background apps. Let's use 2 fingers to go there. There we go. And now in here I'm gonna just close everything with 2 fingers. Of course I can swipe up in order to start from the beginning, and we're gonna go ahead and start from the home screen. So first we have to of course open settings. So to go to settings we're gonna use 2 fingers to swipe up to go to the app drawer, and then over here with 2 fingers we can scroll down in order to find settings. We can tap on settings once and then double tap to confirm. Here scroll down again because we need to go to accessibility and convenience, so we're gonna tap once and then double tap. Tap on accessibility and then double tap. Tap on vision once and then double tap. Tap on the TalkBack once and then double tap. We are back in the TalkBack settings, so now we can tap on the TalkBack switcher in here and then double tap. Tap on turn off in order to confirm, and of course double tap, and finally TalkBack is deactivated. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.